corner flashing. You can see here, like this gap, we have all the four corners. This gap we need to fill using flashing. That is called corner flashing. How to do this one we will see in this lecture. First you can select any flashing. You can select the same properties and you can change the properties and you can adjust for this corner. Now I just go to grid A, then go to any corner. Now I go to the beam tool and here it is. I used few properties, just keep as it is. Now I click the first point here, then I click the next point here, press shift key in your keyboard, press right click in your mouse, you will get it here, snap, select this perpendicular, just click here. So now this one is created. Then go to the view, then select here view list, select this level. You can see here flashing very clearly. So this is what we created, the flashing. Now select this one. You can change here corner flashing. Corner flashing or corner end flashing, whatever you want you can make it. Then if you go to the profile catalog, here also I used FPD. You can see here all the values. If you want you can just change this one, which dimension you want you can change as per your standard or market availability or project requirement. You have to change this all the things, but this one I am going to use here. Now I just go to apply, other all the thing keep as it is. Then here it is corner flashing, so I just make here CF corner flashing. Then modify, click outside, select this one, right click, move, click this point, you can place it exactly here. Now you can see this sheet perfectly cover this gap area. The same thing we need to use it other area also. So select this one, then go to the work plane parallel to view plane and just click outside, then right click, copy special, mirror, click this grid, click here, go to copy and click OK. Now you can see here it is created this side also. This side it is fixed perfectly, but you can see here this side it is not enough, but we need to increase. This one is not covered this sheet. You can do one thing, you have to increase this sheet up to here, or we need to increase this flashing. Normally if you have sheet enough sheet you can increase and you can finish this grid and all, you can make it connection something like this. You can extend up to here, you can make uniform flashing also, or you can change the flashing. So this is small amount only, you can change the flashing. So now I just go to here, measure, select this vertical, click this point and click here and I click outside. So this is 61 mm you have to increase. So select this one, you have to increase here 61 mm. So that is 393 plus 61, you will get it 454. So just change here, delete this value 454, then enter. Then select this one, right click, move, click this corner, place it here. Now you can see this sheet perfectly covered these two locations. Similar way we need to create another side also. So select this one and select this one also, then right click, copy special, mirror, click this middle point and click here, then copy and click OK. Now you can see here also it is placed perfectly. So now you can see little bit, if you want you can arrange little bit slowly to side, if you move it will placed perfectly. If you arrange the die, if you need any changes, you can arrange little bit, it will arrange properly. So now I just select this one. You have to arrange this one little bit, you have to increase the value. How much you can measure, I just go to here horizontal, click this one and click here. You just need to increase 10 mm only, so I just increase here 54, then enter. So now select this one, right click, move, just click this point, here it is placed perfectly. Or you have to increase the plate, so this side also placed perfectly. Similar way you can come down, you can see here this one is located here, okay, but here you need to increase. You can check how much you need to increase. Just click here, and here also you have to increase 9 mm or 10 mm. Just increase here 54, then enter, then select this one, right click, escape, we select this one, right click, go to the move, click this point and click here, it is, just right click, move, click this point and we need to place it here. So now this one is perfectly placed. Here also it's okay. So now if you go to the 3D view, now you can see here all the corners we created flashing. So this is called corner flashing.